Hi folks, how are you today? Nice to see you again. So today I want to introduce my Sink Bridge. This is a product that I spent a couple of years designing, and it's meant to span a kitchen sink or a workshop sink when you're sharpening. So I think what I'm going to do here is just start from the beginning. We'll just open the box right from the factory here, and we'll take it out, get this end open, and then I'll open up this end. Sometimes it's a little, there we go. And I find that it's easier to push it out rather than trying to pull it out. So just push it out and it comes right out of the package here. Now, this is a hard coat anodized aluminum sink bridge, and it will span across a 19-inch sink. And it has little rubber pieces here to sit on the counter, so it locks down the counter, but it won't scratch it. And the same here with the rubber ends. They're squishy, so they won't hurt the countertop. Now, what you have to do is pull the cap out of the end, and you'll see a little bag of parts inside, and just pull those right on out. And then the cardboard can come out, and I think that's everything. And you don't even need to take this out at all, just leave it in there. But I'll show you how it works anyway. It just slides back and forth inside the sink bridge to allow for adjustment. And the first thing we'll do is get the parts out of the parts bag. And what you'll find out here are 4 feet and a post that it's the same post that we use for the stage actually. And just take the little feet and screw them in here like this. You can just screw them in by hand. And then we'll put the next one in. And then depending on the width of your sink, you're gonna pick, which one of these. We'll just take a guess here for my sink to begin with. And I'll put the feet in to the second hole right there. And the last thing you do to assemble it is flip it over and put the button on top like that, and then the bolt just drops through. So you can see how the bolt just drops through and locks into the groove. So now all you do is put the button on top of it like that, and we're done. That's really all there is to it. I put the end cap back in there, and there you have it, an assembled sink bridge. Now I'll show you how to adjust it. So the position we chose turns out to be just right for this sink. It's going to hook right over the far end of the sink here. And on this end, we just loosen the button, and everything slides in here. So we'll push it up against the far side and then pull it right here. Just pull it right up against the inside lip of the sink. So just pull it up tight and then lock it down. Now that we've set it on the sink, you can see that it's incredibly stable. I mean, I can just really push on it. And if you just hold this inside foot, you can adjust the position of the button forward or back. Now this is very nice because the stage has a hole in the bottom, and it'll just drop right over like that, and you can set it so that your hands are comfortable. So if you're a taller person, you're going to put it farther away, and if you're not as tall, you just pull it back a little closer to you and just find that sweet spot. Then all you have to do is tighten it right there. Just tighten it there. Now you're ready to sharpen, and this system is unbelievably stable, just super stable, and your stones will just drop right on there, and you can turn the whole thing from end to end. You can sharpen at an angle with the stone, you know, at an angle to you if you like, and you can turn the stone itself very easily. And there's just no wheels or knobs. There's nothing to, you know, collect any mess. It's just super clean and super stable and strong. So here's 100 micron diamond resin, and this knife is fairly stained and it's got some chips and stuff in it. So I think what I'm going to do is just joint the edge here a little bit, clean it up, and then I'm going to put it on here and start sharpening. And you can see nothing's moving. I can really go here without any. Look at that, it's just plowing through the metal there. So as you can see, the Sink Bridge is a really simple, clean design. I didn't want any springs or knobs or, you know, clamps. I really wanted it to hold everything securely, and most importantly, I wanted to be able to wash it really easily. And I think we've achieved those goals. So the Sink Bridge here, the stage just drops right down over it. The stones just drop down over that, and it becomes, you know, a super clean sharpening system. I hope you have a great day. Please follow us on YouTube and Instagram. Peace and good sharpening.